To reset your password for your Qudos bank account, visit our website and select Login on the top right-hand corner of the screen. In the drop-down menu, select Online Banking. You will be taken to the login page. Select the Forgotten Your Password link. You will be taken to an online form where you will be asked to reset password. You will need to provide your member number, first name, last name, date of birth, email, mobile number and postcode of your mailing address. Once you have filled out your details, check the I'm not a robot verification box and click Next to proceed. You will be taken to a summary page of your personal details. Ensure that these details are correct to reset your password. Tap Reset if you are happy to proceed. You will be sent a temporary password with a registered number for your member number. This will be sent as an SMS. Once you have received the temporary password, click Login. You will be taken back to the login page of online banking. Enter your member number and the temporary password you were issued. You will then be taken to a page where you will be asked to change password. Enter the temporary password in the current password field. Once you have done that, enter a new password and re-enter it into the Confirm Password field. Once you have completed the form, click Change Password. If you are successful in changing your password, you will be taken to the confirmation page. Click Continue. You should now be taken to the online banking dashboard where you can view accounts and manage your payments. If you need further assistance in resetting your password, please visit our website at qudosbank.com.au/FAQs.